everybody, welcome. And so today we will discuss the difference between proposed interim and final dividend. So proposed dividend is the one which is offered by or proposed by company in the annual general meeting to the shareholders. So firstly, I'll talk about the definition of the dividend. So dividend are actually corporate profits. So dividend are they are being given out of the company's profit or the retained earnings. If your company earns some profit and it can share the amount of profit and its retained earnings with the shareholders in the form of dividend, or it can either reinvest into the business. So it depends entirely on the company that how they want to deal with their corporate profits or their surplus. So now we'll talk about the interim dividend. What is interim dividend? The dividend which is declared by the board of directors during a financial year. It is declared in the middle of somewhere in the middle of the accounting year or before a financial year, before a accounting or financial whatever year they are following. अगर वो financial year follow कर रहे हैं तो उससे पहले जो dividend declare हुआ है, that is declared by board of directors, that is called interim dividend. And once the dividend which is declared and which is when then approved finally by the shareholders, और जब वही dividend जो अगर वो shareholders finally approve कर देते हैं, then that is called a final dividend. So this is how you understand the concept. And then once the dividend finally approved by the shareholders, then that dividend cannot be changed. उसके बाद आप नहीं change कर सकते हो. तो उसके लिए अब ये तीनों dividends I hope आपको clear हो गए होंगे.